I've been seeing these ribbon cases on my Pinterest board and thought of turning this boring clear case into a Pinteresty one. So grab a fork and a piece of ribbon and wrap it around the fork. Poke it through the middle of it and follow as I do. It might seem a little tricky in the beginning, but once you get the hang of it, it's not that difficult. I tried to record as slow as possible. And yeah, we are almost there. And yeah, it's done. Cut the ends for a better finish. And yeah, we did it. Repeat for as many as you want. Now I'm adding these pearl stickers to match with the picture. Assembling and sticking them all together, and our Pinteresty phone case is ready. Like, share and subscribe for more. Bye bye.